Hey guys, it's Andre again. I figured I would take another video to show you the difference in after I added the last final pieces here. I cut out a fairly big piece here for the center, realizing that we had quite a bit of low frequency resonance I wanted to get rid of, and so we probably needed more than the usual I'd end up dealing with. And I added this one up here, this one over here, and I don't know if you can see, but there's one in the corner and one in the corner as well. So overall in the entire pan, I guess we covered about a third. And so I wanted to show you the kind of difference that this all made. Now, if you remember, we had a bit of a mid-range frequency over here, high frequencies on the left and the right, and we had a loud gong type of sound that resonated for quite a while in the center. So that's pretty much gone here. It taps without any resonating whatsoever. On the side here, basically same situation. We'll try this side as well. And on the middle, we still have some of that gong resonance, but it fades away very, very quickly. It doesn't linger for anywhere near as long as it did previously. And over here we had some more resonance, and same situation. You have a bit of resonating for a bit, but it fades away pretty quickly. So these CLD tiles we added here definitely made a pretty big difference. I don't think adding anything extra will make any more of a difference than that. So I would definitely recommend giving this a shot on your own. You'll need, I would estimate, about 4 CLD tiles, but pick up a couple just in case, and wherever else you want to install any. Thanks again for watching.